Hello everyone, welcome to Rasha's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting radical maths Olympiad question, which is square root 90 times 91 times 92 times 93 plus 1. How to solve this interesting radical maths question without calculator. So I solve this question easy method. So first of all, you can say it will be square root, then here 90 times 91, it will be 90 plus 1, then 92, which is 90 plus 2, then this is 93, which is 90 plus 3, then plus 1. Now at this moment here is 90, this is 90, 90, 90. So let 90 is equal to x. So I substitute this below here. 90 is equal to x. So you can see easily this expression, it will be square root. Now this is x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3, and here plus 1. Then you can see easily this is square root this x times x plus 3. So you can see easily x times x plus 3, and I take this below here, x plus 1, and this is x plus 2, then here plus 1. Now this is square root. I solve this maths question easy method. This x times x, this is x to the power 2. 3 times x, this is 3x. And this is x times x, x to the power 2. Then x times 2, it will be twice x. And here x times 1, this is x. And 1 times 2, this is 2. And this is plus 1. Now this is square root. This is x to the power 2 plus 3x times this is x to the power 2, 2x plus x, this is 3x. Then this is plus 2, and here plus 1. Now this is x squared plus 3x, this is x squared plus 3x. So let again x to the power 2 plus 3x, it will be u. So at this moment I substitute this below again here. So this expression, it will be square root, this is u, and this is u plus 2, and this is plus 1. Now this below, it will be square root u times u, this is u square, plus 2 times u, this is 2u, and this is plus 1. Then you can see it will be u square plus 2u plus 1. So I take here is square. So it will be a square plus 2b plus b squared, which is a plus b whole square. So this is u plus 1 bracket power is 2. Now square is cancelled. We are find out u plus 1. But remember that u is equal to x squared plus 3x. So I take this below here, which is x squared plus 3x, and this is plus 1. Now remember that first of all we are substitute this below here, x is equal to 90. So I take this below here, x is equal to 90. Now this x square, which is 9 to the power 2, 90 power 2 plus 3 times x, x is equal to 90 plus 1. Then at this moment you can see this expression, which is 9 to the power 2, it will be 90 times 90, which is 20, and 9 to the power 2, it will be 81. Then 3 times 0, this is 0. 3 times 9, this is 27 plus 1. Now if I add this 1 plus 0, which is 1. Then 7 plus 0, which is 7. Then 2 plus 1, this is 3. Then here is 8. So we are find out our final answer, which is 8371. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this radical math problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care, everyone.